Guys, in this video I'm gonna upcoming with the newly arrived beautiful print exclusive collections with heavy some of the catalog concepts also. Like you see in this kind of dummy, I think you're gonna be visible if the camera gonna be zoom. Then these kind of special white border concepts we are also manufacturing now only according to the occasional wear or some of the regular evergreen concepts in print variety. That's also very preferable in many of the state and many of the abroad countries of area also. So guys, in this video please watch the video from start to till the end. Why will you choose us? How will you start your own businesses? If you are having your established business, then why will you choose us? And how will you get purchasing from us? These kind of all the queries will be countered in this video. So please watch the video from start to till the end. First, one of the beautiful saree you're gonna be see in this kind of variety. See, length will be 6.30 meter approx with unstitched blouse also you will be get. Let me remind you, you can give in these kind of concepts will be say weightless concepts you're gonna be say. According particularly you are zooming the border, then you will be notice that beautiful some stones are sticked here. See, in this kind of variety you will be get totally complete saree will be opening in front of you guys, so there will be no any single damages or defects in any of our item. If you want to be noticed, then these kind of beautiful unstitched blouse also you will be get along with the saree. Next one in this kind of beautiful variety. See, these kind of very beautiful concepts with stones are sticked there. Let me remind you guys, single piece will not be delivered. Set you have to purchase in each set 6 to 7 different color shades you will be get. And let me remind you, all the particular regional state, either it will be the Maharashtrian, Rajasthan or northern or southern regional or West Bengal, that kind of regional taste, Kolkata taste also we are manufacturing here only. So no worry to come here. In these kind of unstitched blouse also you will be getting here only. And whenever I mention that these kind of beautiful catalog concepts are also very well made, see. What is the use and purpose of this kind of catalog? Let me tell you that this kind of catalog will be as useful to explain your customer that what will be the concepts and how many beautiful looks you will be get in these kind of sets. Talking about the ranges guys, 61 will be the starting range of print sections. Apart from that, in these kind of all the varieties I'm going to showing this, these are approximate 300 rupees to 500, 600, that kind of ranges I'm going to be showcasing in this kind of variety. Next one, see, in this kind of beautiful variety. See, guys, I think you will watch many of the other manufacturer or as they are trader or as they are resellers videos. They are not opening their saree fully because some of them they are misleading their customers or audience. But talking about our Kesaria Textile Company, we provide you all the necessary facilities to the product till the product will be delivered at your own stop. The same product will be delivered. See guys, in this kind of unstitched blouse also you will be get in this kind of variety. According to that guys, any of your concepts you will be like, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections with particular rate also. So guys, please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment sections. Press the bell icon button to get the regular updates and notifications of our video. And if you are interested to watch many of the concepts like silk or some of the kurtis or lehengas or gowns or dupatta, blouse pieces, nighties, all the varieties you will be getting here only. So guys, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.